drawing for you. This is the drawing of traffic road.
First of all, draw the signal. Draw the lines with scale.
Signal is used to stop the vehicles. Are a lot of traffic signals.
Also draw the cloud. In the city, traffic signals is very important for transportation.
Also draw the scenery. Draw the sun.
Draw the birds. There is a lot of birds in the city.
Also draw the car. It looks so beautiful.
I like this drawing. Draw the road.
Don't forget to draw the lines on the road. It's make the drawing so beautiful.
Don't forget to outline the drawing. Let's coloring it.
First of all, use the red color. Use yellow color.
Then use the green color. Also use the pink color.
Pink is my favorite color. I like this color so much.
Complete coloring the traffic signal. Don't forget to color the car.
Use the orange color in the car. Also color the sun and cloud. It looks so beautiful.
Sometimes it is used to moving the vehicles. There. The drawing is going to complete.
It looks so beautiful. I like this coloring so much.